Hey and welcome. I'm your boy Solo. In this video, I'll be going over how to unlock the ability to upload videos longer than 15 minutes to YouTube. Before I waste any more time, let's jump into it. Before we get started, there is a few things you will need to have. One is that your channel is free of active community guideline strikes and a phone, of course. That being said, let's open YouTube and log in. From here, you can click on the avatar onto the right and go to the YouTube Studios. This is where most of all of your settings will be. Once we're here, we can go down on the left, here to the settings, down to channel, and over here to feature eligibility. In here is going to give you a list of things that you're eligible for and not eligible for. This one requires you just to have no community guideline strikes on your account, and this gives you all the basic access to upload videos, playlist creations, adding collaborators to playlists, add new videos to existing playlists. The second one is features that requires phone verification. This gives you access to upload longer than 15-minute videos, custom thumbnails, live streaming, and appealing to content ID claims. All you have to do here is click verify phone number, and after you've verified the phone number, you will be able to download videos that are longer than 15 minutes. Okay, we're just going to go through that process now. This should only just take a moment. A few seconds after you receive the SMS and type in your verification number, you'll be verified. Or go back to where you were. Now everything is enabled and you'll be able to upload videos longer than 15 minutes. Now if you've already uploaded a video and you've run across this problem where you uploaded it before you verified your account and you come across this here and you closed it but you don't know what to do and you verified it and it's still not showing up, you can go into your content and delete video. The process is abandoned and it's too long. You can learn more. And it says that you need to create plus upload the video again. There used to be a verification process for that made things a little bit easier. Unfortunately, once your account is all verified, you are going to have to upload the video again. Now sometimes this here is a smooth process and you can just go to your dashboard, upload it, and as long as it's named the same, it should automatically do the magic for you. But if you've changed the name and you uploaded it and named it in here, it may not work for you. So just go to your dashboard, click the upload, and select the same file and hope it adds up. Unfortunately, in my situation, it did not, and I will have to re-upload this here video again from scratch. Unfortunately, that is just how it is sometimes. I don't know another way to activate it. There used to be a way in the old dashboard that you could go in and activate the video. I don't know where to find that anymore, so you will end up having to upload this video. If you do know how to do that, definitely leave something in the description below. That will definitely help me out. I would be very interested in finding that information out. But that's everything there is to it. After it's activated, you'll be able to upload videos longer than 15 minutes. If you think I may have left something out, definitely leave something in the description below. But if you like or found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching, guys.